हेलो। तो आज हम PHP में इंसर्ट डिलीट और अपडेट का कोड देखने वाले हैं। तो वेब सर्वर स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। वेब सर्वर में लोकल होस्ट रन करके देख लेता हूँ कि वो रन हो रहा है कि नहीं। यस, इट इज वर्किंग। आई विल ऑल्सो चेक द PHP my admin will work or not. Okay, so first I will create the database. So dbprj is a database name, dbprj, and here I will create table that is called TM product, on which I want to perform insert, delete and update. I will keep 4 fields. First field is product ID, integer. I will keep it is auto increment, product name, varchar, product name size will be 100, product price, price will be decimal, and product quantity PQTY, and it will be integer. So I will have table name TM product and with 4 field, PID which is auto increment, so it will be a primary key, P name varchar 100, P price decimal, and P quantity that is integer. I will click on save and database will be created. हमारे database का नाम है dbprj and table का नाम है TM project. I will create one project here, so I will go to this web server and click on www directory, which is inside my C drive, WAMP and www folder. So C drive, WAMP, www. Here I will create one folder which called PHP connectivity. Okay, and I want to open this PHP connectivity inside Visual Studio Code. Right now there is no folder open in this Visual Studio Code, so I will drag this folder here, and that folder will be shown here, PHP connectivity. We have created this empty folder, and in this folder one by one we will create the files which we require. The first file I will create, that is connect.php. Now this file is used to write connection code. I will create the second file which is product.php. Now this file will contain all the code for insert, delete and update page. So here I will use some shortcut of this Visual Studio Code. Here I can use this HTML:5, and you will have this basic or template code for your HTML page, and here I will add product page. In body tag I will add one table, and in table I will add tr. In tr I will add td. Now before this table I will add one h2 tag which will show you product information /h2, and here I will create the fields which we need to take as an input. So in first field we require two things. In first td I will add enter product name, and here I will add input type equal to text, name equal to p name, and placeholder equal to product name. I will add the remaining rows. Here I will copy paste fields. I will keep this 3 row. First is product name, then second is product price. It will be here p price. Here I am keeping the name of this control as same we kept in the database, because it will help you while writing code. Last is quantity, PQTY, and here last row we will add one td, which have only single TD, which have call span is equal to 2. And inside this TD we will add two buttons, one for insert, input type equal to submit. Okay, I was telling that we will add two buttons. First is for insert and second is for clear or reset. Name equal to btn submit and value is equal to insert. And another button I will add that input type equal to reset, name equal to btn reset and value equal to clear. And between all these two I will keep 3 or 4 ampersand and bsp 4 times. That's why it will give you proper running. Let us check the output of this folder. I will go inside this page, I will refresh the page and I will click into this PHP connectivity, and here I will open this product page and you can see the basic output is shown. I will just add some CSS to format this page. In this head tag I will add style tag which will help me to code. For H2 I will add color equal to blue and align colon center. Okay, let us check the output and you can see this product information is shown here, which is in blue color. Align center is not working right now, but let us remove that part and I will add here in H2 tag align center. Okay, so that is shown. Similarly for table tag also I will keep align equal to center. Refresh, the whole controls are in center. Similarly जो हमारा लास्ट टीडी है जहाँ पे कॉल स्पान इक्वल टू 2 किया था उसका भी अलाइन प्रॉपर्टी हमें सेट करना है सेंटर. तो ये जो बटन है वो प्रॉपरली और मिडल में देखिए. नाउ आई विल फॉर्मेट दिस 3 control plus these 2 buttons also. So for that here I will add some basic property here like input control, and for input control I will add border 1 pixel solid blue in color and border radius colon 10 pixel. Actually 10 pixel is little bit more, but let's find. We will add some more things like padding colon 5 pixel so that these buttons will look nice. I also want to set the font for page, so I will for body I will add for body tag I will add the font family, that is font family colon Calibri. So that font is applied here. I will also add margin, that is 2px, so this page will look nice. Here for this 2 button I will add some code here like dot button, and for this button I will add border colon 2px solid blue. Then let us see one by one. Check here, padding dash left colon 25 pixel, padding dash right colon 25 pixel. Save and then refresh the page. Oh yes, I have added this, but what I have to do, I have to go on this particular button, and we have what we have written here, dot button. So here I have to add class property to this input type, class equal to button. So you can see insert is changed. Similarly, I have to add that part here also. So button insert and clear. I will add some properties like background colon, color code like has 3366FF and color colon white. So you can see the background color will be blue, border is dark blue, and text is white. Border radius also I want to change. It will be 15px, and this looks little bit nice. Now we have created basic design about product page. Now I just want to add this value into the database. Right now, once again, see that we have PID, PName, PPrice and PQuantity. So in which I want to add. Let us go back to the page. When you want to establish connectivity, the first thing you need to do is create a connection object. So $con is equal to MySQL underscore connect, which have three parameters. First parameter is your server, which in our case it is a local host. Second, that is a username, that is root, and password, that is blank in our case. If not $con, your connection is unsuccessful, then you can write here connection error. Else, you need to work on the database you want to use. That's why MySQL underscore select underscore DB. Here you need to write down the database name. Database name is dbprj. Let me check once again. Database is dbprj, table name is tm project. Okay, so I have created separate file which is connect.php, and now I want to use that file on product page. So at the static of the page I will create PHP tag. Inside that tag I will include this file connect.php. Okay, so on this page we can use this connection object every time. Now whenever you want to fire insert, I will post this data from product page to another page, and on that page I will fire a query. So let us add here form, and I will end that form after this table tag. And this form tag I will add some of the property from form name equal to frm, method equal to post, action equal to db product.php. Okay, so I will go on to the db product page by taking these values. So I will create another file here called db product.php, and here I will add PHP tag, and this file will contain only PHP code related to insert, delete and update also. So here also we will include connect.php. Now मैं just यहाँ पे एक प्रिंट कर देता हूँ कि db product page echo db product. So I will just refresh this page and I will check that it will go on that page or not. Yes, we are going to that page, so it is working. So whenever I will type some of the values, then that value will be posted, or we will get those value on the next page. Okay, so our work is done here. Now here I have printed this echo db product. Now whenever I want to insert, I must have come from this product page. So I will check that by using this condition. If is set $_post and your btn submit. So this statement says that whenever you click on the submit button on the previous page, at that time you will come into this condition. So this condition will become true. Otherwise you will be on this page but you cannot go inside this condition. So let us try that. Echo inside submit, or you can say okay. So let us check. So I will refresh the page. I will click on the insert. So db product and inside submit. I will go back, refresh, and here I can click on this page, and if I click directly this db product, then db product will be displayed, but inside submit will not show because we have opened this file directly. So I will write I will add some code which will fire a query, but whenever you open this page directly db product, at the time we insert फायर नहीं होना चाहिए, जब हम प्रोडक्ट में वैल्यू डालें तभी फायर होना चाहिए. So here I will fetch the value that will be p name equal to $_post, and here which name we have to write, we have to check in the product page. Product page also we have kept this p name, and that name should match here in post. We have created, for this reason we have created input type name also same as database name, and here also I will use this $p name as this. So $p price equal to $_post p price, $pqty is equal to $_post pqty. Now I will create query equal to insert into tm product bracket values semicolon, and here what are the values? It will be p name, p price, pqty, and in values I have to add the values which are stored in variable $p name, $p price, comma $pqty, and here name is character, that's why I have to add single quote and ahead of this variable in both the sides. So I have created a query. Then here I need to fire a query. For that I will write $result equal to MySQL underscore query. So actually query is firing on this statement $QRY. $QRY. I will check that it is successful or not. If not, $result echo problem in insert, else echo successfully inserted. Okay, let us try this code. I will go in the browser, I will refresh, click on the product page, and here I will add Dell laptop, price will be 42,000 and quantity is 10. Yes, we can see the record is inserted successfully. Let us check in the database also. Here it shows that record, but after inserting we should be on the first page again. You can see here also again we should be there. So for that, here after this successful inserted, I will transfer my page from DB product to product. That will be done by header location colon product.php. Let us try once again. So now I will refresh this page. I will add HP laptop, product price is 51,000, quantity is 3. I will insert. You can see nothing is changed. All these 3 fields are black, but it shows that you are going on that page and coming back. You can refresh here and click on this dbprj project, dbprj database, tf product, and click on this browse, and you can see there are 2 records. Now insert is successfully completed. Now our task is to show our inserted records. I will add those records in this area, in the below side of this 2 button. For that we will add some code on product page. So inside product page, after this last row, I am adding another row. In that I am adding one TD, which has call span equal to 2, and in this call span I am adding another table. Inside this table I am adding table row. In table row I am adding th, that is table head, product ID, another th, product name, th, product price, next th, product quantity, and more 2 th, which is related to edit and delete. Let us refresh this page and you can see that part is shown here. I can add border equal to 1 for simplicity so that you can see the records. I will also add style, or in initial part I will add here table padding 2px, it will be better. So that shows nice. Now here I will add PHP code, and inside PHP code dynamically I will load the data. For that, initially we have added or included this connect file, and here I will write select query equal to select product ID, product name, product price, comma product qty from tm product, $rs product equal to MySQL underscore query $SQL query. So here I have fired this query and result is in RS product. So I will process this RS product or record set of product in this area. So here I will write while $row equal to MySQL underscore fetch underscore row $rs product. Here I will add one row inside PHP. Here I will also add closing of tr tag. Inside that td tag, how many td tag I require? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So I will copy them one by one. 2 3 4 5 6. In first part I will print $row of 0. Second part $row of 1, that is name. $row of 2, $row of 3, and here edit and delete. So here this code will process this whole record set and add all the rows in a table. Let us run this page. I refresh and click on the product page. Oh, there is some error in line number 83. Line number 83, yes, I have missed the semicolon. Refresh. Yes, we have these two records here which I have shown. Once again I am adding Apple MacBook, price 1,22,900, price 1, quantity, insert, and yes, that record is also added here. So as many record you will add, that will shown here. Dell virus keyboard 900, quantity will be 10, insert. So all these things will be added automatically here. So here when you are clicking on the insert button, you are taking product name, price and quantity from this page to the next, and on that page you are firing query in the database, and from that once again coming back here. Oh yes, I have missed this part. I have to change placeholder in this price text box and quantity text box. Let us do that. Here it will be price, here it will be quantity. Refresh. Yes, okay. Now I just want to add code of delete. For delete wrap code, it will done on the primary key. So whenever I click on this delete, I will fire a query that delete a record whose primary key is 2, product ID is 2. That's what I want to do. So now for that, let us make some changes in the table. So in this edit, I will so in this delete, I am adding anchor tag href equal to single quote and closing of anchor tag, and here I will go into the DB product page by taking this primary key, that is delete ID equal to $row of 0. Let us check this. So you concentrate on this area. Whenever I move around these all rows, you can see primary key will change. Delete ID 1, 2, 3 and 4. So whenever I click on this particular delete ID, that delete ID should go on the DB product page. So suppose I will create here. So on that page, you will not go into this part, that is you can say submit part, because this is the insert part, and now we will add delete part. For that, here I will add another code. If $_get, because you are firing that, if is set $_get del id echo delete. So if I just refresh, delete will be added here. If you go back, if you refresh, click on this delete button, the delete will be shown here. If you go back, once again go back, refresh and click on db product, then delete will not show, because delete will come when you click on this delete key at that time also. So here I will add code, that is $PID is equal to $_get del id $del query equal to delete from tm product where PID is equal to $PID and $result is equal to, I am firing the query, $del query. If not $result, echo problem in delete, else echo successfully deleted. And I just want to comment because I know that the code will work, and then I will go directly into the header location colon product.php. So here after clicking on this del id, so here whenever I pass del id from product page, then this code will be processed and that particular record will be deleted from the database and you will go again on the product page. Let us test this. Go back, refresh. I will click on this third row and that record is removed. On database also you can check here, there are only 3 records. Once again we will delete the last record and only 2 records are there. Here also you can see only 2 records are there. Let us add another del mouse 499, quantity will be 50 and insert, and that record is added. Okay, so delete, understood? Now for edit also we have to add code on the db product to fire update query. But before that we need to understand that whenever I click on edit, this 3 values, laptop, or you can say product name, product price and quantity, that should be set here. And after changing this value, whenever I click on this button, currently this button has a value which is insert, but it should be saved, and after completion of that it should fire a update query. Okay, so for edit I am adding anchor tag once again, closing of anchor tag, and here I will go on the product page only, product.php question mark id equal to $row of 0. So whenever I click, you can see here id equal to 2, and from that this control should be filled with the data. Okay, so when you click on any of this edit button, that record should be filled here. So here I am firing id equal to 5 by get method. So on the starting of this page I will check the if is set $_get id. It shows that you have clicked on edit button. Edit id equal to $_get id. Now I will fire one query in the database. $query equal to select PID, pname, pprice, pqty from tm product where PID equal to $edit ID, $ERS product equal to MySQL underscore query $query, $row equal to MySQL underscore fetch underscore row $ERS product, $EP name equal to $row of 1, $EP price equal to $row of 2, $EP QTY equal to $row of 3. So I have set all these three values, which I will display in the text box now. So here for all this I will set the value property. In value property I will add PHP tag, and in PHP tag I just want to add if is set $underscore, if is set $EP name, then I will add echo $EP name semicolon. Let us check this. Line number 6 there is error. Yes, here one bracket is missing. Yes, you can see the Dell mouse is displayed here. Okay, so I will copy this. Okay, let us add once again value equal to less than question mark PHP question mark greater than sign. Here if is set $EP price, then in bracket echo $EP price semicolon, and similarly I just need to copy the value property from here. And it will be EPQTY. Let us refresh and all these three values will be there. Now remember, when we fire insert query, at that time we have not passed the primary key, that is PID. We can check in the code here. When we have inserted, we have not passed PID, but whenever we fire update query, in update query we need to find a product ID. So that product ID currently we have not stored anywhere. Here we have one variable called $edit ID which contains that product ID. So I will save this edit ID into the one input control. So after this both of the button I will add one other input control, input type equal to hidden, because I don't want to display the value that is primary key on a page, but I will keep on this control. In the name equal to EDID or edit ID, value equal to, once again we need to add this if is set $underscore edit ID, then echo $edit ID. Let us try this. Okay, line number 72. Okay, yes. Now let us click on any of this edit button. This values will change. Also I will show you in the by click on the view page source. Here you can see that input type whose name is edit ID and value is equal to 1. If you click on this third part and you just once again click in this view page source, and here you can see that edit ID value will be 5 here. So Now whenever, yes, one more thing remaining, that we need to change the value here, that is save. So for that purpose, here in place of this insert value, I need to check. I will copy this part from here. If this edit ID is set, then we need to display here save, else we need to display here insert curly bracket closing, refresh. So here save is there. So now let's check product page. It will be insert here. Whenever I click on edit, it will be save. So whenever I change any value like this 45,000, and if I click on save, on the next page it should fire a update query. Now we go on this DB product page. On DB product page we have added that if we set product $_post. Now this is for insert. Now this code needs to be fired when we have value of this button, which is if $_post btn submit equal to insert, then only this code needs to fire. I will cut this code and keep inside this part, and again I will add one if condition, $_post btn submit equal to save. Here all three things will be same, so I will copy the code and I will change some of the things here. Like in place of query, I will add update query. Update tm product set pname equal to, in single quote, $pname, comma pprice equal to $pprice, comma pqty equal to $pqty, where product id equal to $pid, and I will comment this query, and here I will find the product id equal to $_post, and which control name I have to write here. On product page we have added one hidden field, its name is edit id, and this edit id I need to fetch on this DB product page. Okay, so update query will be fired, cell will be stored in this part, and problem in update, and if it is successfully updated also, and again we need to go to the product page. Let us try this. I will remove this part or refresh the page. Click on the edit. I will change the product price of 45,000, quantity to 100. Click on save. That part is updated. So now I will add another product from starting, that will be graphics card. Price will be 78900, quantity will be 2. Insert, that part is added. If I want to edit the price of 8900 to 9800, quantity to 20, and graphics card and motherboard, and price will be 98,000. Click on save, and all the things are updated on the query number 6. So this code will explain you about insert delete update, and this code will explain you about insert delete and update in PHP. Now this two page concept is very good for managing your code, because whenever you fire insert query and you go back to your product page, once again your page is refreshed with this newly data loaded. Okay, so you do not have to worry about the refreshment of page and all these things. So thank you.